Welcome to my channel. If you want to know how I achieve this look, watch till the end of this video. Hello, it's your girl Fine Hair. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do Bantu knot on your natural hair without extension. In today's video, we will need coconut oil. We will need a comb to part our hair, and also we will need a clip to keep our hair steady while we twist it. In today's Bantu knot, I'm going to do the method of twisting first before bantuing it. So we start by parting. My hair is a little bit damp. It's not soaking wet, but it's a little bit damp. So I'm going to part my hair. I'm sectioning the part that I'm going to bantu now. So now that I do that, what I will do, I use a clip to hold it down so the hair, this part of the hair will not come down on the part that I'm going to twist. I'm going to section another part. Can you see it? I'm using my finger to be a guide of my part that I'm parting, right? So I also hold that in place. The next thing will be for me to now section it. I section it in two by just using my pinky and thumb right there. And after that, what I will do is, if I do this start to twist, it's not going to be nice and silk and smooth. So how to achieve it to be nice is I will use my whole palm to hold this steady while I use my pinky and thumb. Right? Can you see it? My pinky and thumb to hold this steady. After I hold it steady, the next thing will be to go clockwise from 6 to 12. And the way to do that is I use my two finger, you see, and I go that way. I'm rolling the hair, not like how you use roller and you roll something or you're knitting something. That's pretty much what I'm doing. So I'm making it to be smooth so I can twist it. So it will be nice and smooth. Can you see it? See this versus this one. So I'm also going to do this one. So I do this. We are going to be going anti-clockwise right here. But I'm going to twist this first. Can you see it? Right? I'm doing the same thing. I'm going clockwise. See that? Okay, so I'm going now anti-clockwise. See, my fingers hold it steady, right? And I have this left. I'll do the same thing. I do this and I go that way. I pull it a little bit to make it tight right here. My fingers are always ready to get it, grab it right here, and I do it again. Can you see it? Right there, right there. This is my right hand and this is my left hand, so my right always twisted all the way. What we are doing is to make it nice and slick so it be smooth. Right? So now, as you can see, I'm done all the way to the tip. So what I will do, I get my left hand, I hold it on the root, and I will still go anti-clockwise, like bantuing it and going round like rubber band. See the hair right there? I grab the hair again and I go round. See the hair? I have the hair. I'm pretty much going round. Right? That's it. I'm going to do another one. Let me know if you have any question. The aim of this video is after I'm done showing you how to do it, you will be able to do bantu knots on yourself, on your natural hair, without putting any extension. So I'll do the same thing. I use a clip right here and I clip the hair down. I'm going slow so that you will get a concept of how to do it. So I pat it again. After that, I go another way right there. Can you see it? I'll use a clip to hold it down right here. That is it. I'm going to add a little more water. I have water because it's kind of very dry right now. Okay, and I'll use my coconut oil right here. I'm more focused on the end so it doesn't split. So the next thing is I'll do, I pat it into. Check the another method that you can use. You can use your whole two hands to go round right there. See, round. You want to make it nice and smooth and also tight, but not too tight that it will ache your hair. So after I'm done with that, you see how that is? I'm going to do this, hold it a little bit like I'm bantuing it, and I use my fingers, hold it in place, and I'll go another clockwise from 6 to 12 this way, right? I'll show you right there. See it? See it? Okay, now that I'm done, I'm going to go opposite, which is anti-clockwise. What I will do is, this is my 5, like right here, my 5, I'll go all the way to 12, and I use my 3 fingers and keep it in place, right? This is the hair again. I grab it and I go this way. My 3 finger keeps it in place, right, to make it tight, nice and smooth, right? Can you see it? Right there. This is my right hand and this is my left hand, and what I do is I really go that way, hold it in place, I come back again and go in anti-clockwise, right? Let me know if you have any question, if there's something that you want me to explain better. Do this make sense, how you can twist your hair first to make it nice and smooth, then you now bantu it. I'm going to bantu it now. I hold it on the root right there, and I go anti-clock right there. See the hair? I come back, I get the hair again, go round there. See the hair right there? I'll grab it again, I go this way. Thank you if you're a returning subscribe. Thank you for watching this channel, and if you have not subscribed, please subscribe so that whenever I post a video, YouTube will notify you, and also click the notification bell. Okay, so now I'm going to do another one, but I guess you can get the concept also. Because of time, I'm going to move a little bit faster to keep, so we are not going to use so much time. But if you do not understand it, make sure to come and replay this video until you understand it. It's really very nice and easy. Anybody can do it. You can do it. I believe in you. So practice this and practice it and practice, and you will get better. Okay, so so practice does make perfect. Keep practicing. So I start again. I pat it into, right, and I hold it and I go clockwise, right? See my hand, how my hand is going. You might be asking, how do you know when it's time for you to now start twisting it? You know it's time, like now you can see right there. I want to make that all the way, right? Then I do that, and this I will do the same thing. Turn it, right? Right? Look at this hair, it's already coming out pretty. Look at that. You can do it. Keep practicing. So I'll now go around anti-clockwise. All I'm really doing is grab it, right? Look, it's coming out pretty. Awesome job. If you're practicing all the way here, keep doing it. You can do it. I believe in you. So I use my, is it right there? I'm going round, so I keep that. Then I bring my hand down again right there. And I keep going round. You see? That is how to bantu it. And that's it. So I will release the clip. I will now do the last one, the same thing. I pat it in two. See? And I turn it clockwise, right? I'm going this way, right? Like I'm going to put it under, but I'm not. That's pretty much what I'm doing. See? Then I go anti-clockwise. I'm going to do this one. You see, if I do it, it's not looking that nice. So that's why I'm going to do the same thing. Let me know. Please comment, subscribe, like this video, and also share it. Press the notification bell so whenever I put a video, YouTube will notify you. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate your time. So I keep doing the same thing, right? Round, going right here. I'm really proud of you if you have been practicing as you're watching. And remember to pause if you didn't get anything or something. If your hands start to a little bit like hurt you, just relax a little bit and come back and continue. You can do it. There, see, there we go. It is cute. Did you see that? Awesome job. That is our Bantu knots. It came out pretty, like it's cute. See, I'm blushing. I love it. Did you like it? So comment, let me know in my next video what you would like me to do better. Did you see it good? Do you think you can do this? I believe you can do it. You really have to practice and practice. Look at that. It's cute. Thank you. And do enjoy your day.